Good morning, children, and welcome back once again for our class. Hope you all are keeping fine and as well as you are studying in your homes. Okay, so yesterday I was explaining about honesty, chapter 2, honesty. So while explaining honesty, I told you what does it mean? It means honesty means telling truth, being truthful, not cheating others. Okay, so all these are the words which is relevant for this particular word called honesty. Today I will take page number 12. All of you open your book, page number 12. I am reading the text, children. Look, all of you carefully. Without being honest in life, it becomes very tough to make real and trustworthy friendship with anyone. See, if you don't become, if you are dishonest person, dishonest. If you are dishonest person, nobody will like you. They will say, hey, you are cheater, you are a liar. People will not believe you. And similarly, it is said, without being honest in life, it becomes very tough to make real friendship with anyone. We cannot make friendship. No one can come with us or with me because if I am not honest person, okay, we cannot have good. I cannot make good friends. I cannot have good company in my school or in my class also because I am dishonest. Students consider me not honest person, and so it will be very difficult to make friendship or such type of person or students. Next paragraph. People who are generally speak truth can be able to build better relationship and thus a better world. So yesterday I was telling you yesterday, how can we make a better society? See, similarly, how can we make a better world? See, we need to have faithfulness and fidelity. Unless and until we are trustworthy or honest person, we cannot make a better world. We cannot make better world. See, this is a world or the society. Yesterday I told you, and this is a good person I wrote yesterday. So in order to make better world, we need to have good people, trustworthy people, disciplined person, faithful person, hardworking person, and so on. Next one. Some people who do not have dare of telling truth to their dear ones generally tell lie and face bad situation of being dishonest. So what happens when the children, especially, we need to be very faithful and honest person. When we tell lies to our parents, our companions, our friends, we become bad person. They will consider us bad, and we will have no good reputation, good place in the society. People will dislike us. Next. On the other hand, saying truth helps us in strengthening our character and makes us strong. So when we tell truth, we are a truthful person. My character is built better, or my character becomes better. People will appreciate. In other words, people will appreciate me. People will appreciate me because I am telling truth. So people will think this boy or this girl is good because she is an honest person or honest student. Next line. So it affects our character. It affects our character. It affects our character. They will consider me as good. If this person has a good or this girl has a good character, they will consider good character. He has good behavior, good character. They will consider he is a good boy or girl. Next line. So, being honest, especially with family, friends, and other loved ones, help us a lot in many ways all through the life. So, when we are good, when we are honest, this helps us to build a better relationship with others, with friends, with parents, with brothers and sisters. But the moment I cheat many times, or one time, two times, three times, or whatever time, I become bad in front of that particular person. My character goes down. People will not have respect towards me. Okay, next line. So honesty is most effective tools of protecting the relationships. So honesty is most or good words that protects and that gives me more reputation, and it helps me to establish my relationship with others. So children, we need to pay attention and we need to be a truthful person, no cheating. It may be exam time or during test writing or in the class, whatever time, wherever we are, we need to always speak truth. Next paragraph, last paragraph. Telling lies just to avoid the situation can make the condition more worse. See, I think that at this moment I will tell truth, I will tell lie, but this telling one lie will slowly become habit. Today I told lies, tomorrow I will be telling one more lie, and then slowly what will happen? It will become a habit. What is habit? We know it will become a habit. Repeated action I do, and then it will become habit. It will become part of my life. So it will be very dangerous. So children, you should not tell lie. Be honest person and good person, good student. Next step. Saying truth always helps us to strengthen the character as well as bring confidence within us. So when I am telling truth, it becomes part of my life. I will not try to tell false things there. So I will be trying to tell good things. I will tell truth. Saying truth always helps us to strengthen the character as well as bring confidence within us. There are many positive and negative situations which we face in life, and it is observed that speaking truth imparts happiness, while telling lies burdens us with guilt. When we tell truth, it gives us happiness. See, it will bring happiness in our life. No guilt feeling in my heart. When I tell false things or I lie, I tell lie, it will bring guilt feeling. See, it will bring guilt. It will bring guilt feeling in me. It will bring guilt feeling. So, children, we should not give more attention to our lives. We should tell always good things and truthful things, or true things we should say. We should not say false things. So you see, we face in life, and it is observed that speaking truth imparts happiness, while telling lies burdens us with guilt. So, my dear students, we need to tell always truth, and we need to be honest student. So I conclude my class here today. So again I will continue in my next class. So thank you very much.